Hey bro, yeah, so I want to show you two licks that you can use in your section, okay, whenever you give a worship song, okay, like I showed you the source chord, okay, do, la, okay, this is, if you're giving a song like that, you can, this, mostly worship songs is not really about soloing. It all depends if you are given the privilege to solo, if you are given opportunity to solo, okay, then you can solo as much as you can. Now, but the first thing is you need to know the progression of the song at first. Okay, you need to know the progression of the song. When you know the progression of the song, it will be very easy for you to solo the song. Okay, so if you are to play a worship song, when the worship song is going on, all you do is to at first mute the progression of the song. Okay, okay, something like if you're thinking like let me say this song they normally sing you are the reason I live, you are the one for me, you are the one for me. You are the lazy, you are a one, you are a one. Okay, now this is what I'm trying to play. Whenever a song is given as a worship song, you don't need to start swinging on around. All you use is just try and maintain the progression and give what they call a muting sound. Okay, that is muting sound is allowing you to get a tempo and also get a timing for yourself. Okay. You are a reason, you are a one, la. Now the progression of that song is you are the reason I live, you are the one for me, you are the one for me. You are the reason I live, you are the one for me, you are the one for me. Why should I feel when I'm round by you, everlasting love? Why should I feel my being saved? They don't know what you mean to me, and then they know what you mean to me. Okay, so I believe at first you need to know the progression of that song. Then, when you know the progression of the song, so when they are playing, you are not playing chord with them. Okay, instead you can play. If you want to play chord, you play a source chord. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. Now, if you want to play, if you don't want to play that way, you can mute the song like I played before. You are you know the next chord is going to the saw. The T here represents the saw, okay? You are the one, la. You are the one. You are the you are the one, la. You are the one. Now add, okay, when coming back, and I add something like, okay. So one of the things you need to start learning, I think I need to show you the video, is stuff like the pull on, the hammer-on, pull on, the hammer-on, because those are the vital things that are needed when it comes to worship songs. Okay, stuff like this. Mi, re, do, better pull on. And stuff like this. Hammer-on, they call it hammer-on. Hammer-on, that's hammer-on, okay? So stuff like that is what you need to start learning, okay? So how to play your hammer-on is when you play a note like this, you take the velocity of that note to hammer on the next note. Sounds like right here, and you take that velocity of the first note and hammer on the second one. You only play one note, okay? Okay, so that is a hammer-on. Then the pull-on, this is how I pull on is when you play a note like this me now. Okay, you pull on from that note, from that velocity of the note. Okay. Okay, so but it won't just come easy. It will come on a continuous playing in a continuous raise out. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is work hard, raise hard. Okay, so you can get the frequent, okay, freak from the fretboard. Okay, you can get it very easy. Okay, so that is it. And this is another one. So what I was playing, that was now this me you are coming now is representing the do. Okay, you are everything. You are the one. You are the one. Do you are this can work in any of the song as long as you know the progression. You can apply the, okay, even if the progression is from La, Re, Ti, or understand. But of course, make sure you know your progression. Okay, make sure you know the progression. So wherever you don't understand, you can hit me on the comment section. I'll give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay, guys. All right. See you in the next video.